Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and we're continuing on with our Christmas Spectacular. And when it's not the Christmas Spectacular and you're not getting daily videos, 8 p.m. every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, today we got a bacon cheddar ranch dip. This is perfect for office parties, Christmas get-togethers, and a pretty good goddamn dip for game day. All right, what you want to do is start with a cup and a half of mayonnaise. And then you want to add about a cup of sour cream. And then you want to add about a cup of bacon that you fried up and chopped up and has cooled down, obviously. Okay, and then realize that that bowl was too small to mix this up in. And then you want to add about 10 green onions that you've chopped up, or roughly about a half a cup of chopped green onions. And then you want to add 1 pack of ranch salad dressing seasoning mix. Again, these are available any grocery store on the planet. And then you want to add 2 cups or 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Just took a block of cheese and shredded it in my food processor. Okay, and then you just want to start mixing this around. Oh, by the way, add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Of course, that is to taste. Again, cheddar cheese is a little salty, so keep that in mind, but it's not major. And then you just want to stir this, mix this until everything is incorporated. And then you just want to put it into a serving container that you can put a lid on and pop this in the fridge for at least an hour before you serve it, but up to overnight. It'll keep for about a week or so in the fridge. And yeah, that's it. So that's bacon ranch cheese dip. Done.